I'm not prepared for these fashion videos. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Halloween Happy, where Halloween is more than just once a year. How's it going? How are you? Today I'm drinking coffee from my Ray Dunn mug that I got this past Halloween season, trick or treat. I love this thing so much, I just have to say. Like, I enjoy drinking out of coffee mugs, but I also like drinking out of tumblers and stuff like this because it just keeps it warm, and I'm a very slow coffee drinker most of the time, unless it's like me buying coffee at Starbucks. I like it because it's easier to like run around with. Okay guys, so this video I'm going to be showing you guys some clothes that I picked up from Target for the later fall winter season, because it's already cold and I did get a coat and I'm excited because last year I did not have a coat and the weather was fine. It was as cold as it is in Kansas, but then all the Massachusetts people said, no bitch, like that was nothing. And I'm like, oh, I thought I survived this. But I did go ahead and get a coat because it's already cold. Like, I have to bundle up when I take Raven outside. It's so cold. I'm talking about give me my dock boots. I'll put like leg warmers underneath my jeans. I've been wearing tank tops under all of my tops that I've been wearing because I'm cold. I've been wearing bralettes because I feel like it keeps my tatas warmer. 2 pairs of socks, gloves. So we're already there, guys. Your ghoul has been cold. Picked up some things from Target. I've been trying to go to the Targets around here more often. They're not, it's different than how it was in Kansas, but I'm trying to adapt. I do have a favorite Target here in Salem. I'm not gonna tell you which one because I feel like people don't go to this one because out of their way. And I thought we would do something, well, it's not really different because I'm always hauling stuff for you guys. I wait and then I do it when I have stuff. If you're interested in seeing my recent fashion haul from Target, stay tuned. So, you know, like this year, like the past few months, I've tried to buy like a few pieces of clothing, kind of like switch it up, but okay. So when I'm stressed, food is my best friend, and I've been stressed a lot. Somewhat stressful year. Life is going on. Life goes on. I'm fine. I'll be fine. But I'm just giving you guys like a thing of like, so I don't know if you guys are like this, but I'm cheap when it comes to buying clothes. Like in my head, I have a picture of my style if I had extra money to buy for clothes. I have a, like, let's call it a Pinterest board in my head, a board of how my style is, and if I could wear all sorts of kinds of clothes, what those clothes would be. If I felt confident in certain clothes, what those would be. Like just like a specific idea of my fashion. If I maybe felt better about myself, or if I maybe actually left my house, or maybe if I had extra money to buy certain clothes. Now, is that what the version is in real life? No. It's like, you know how you are, you feel a certain way on the inside and just doesn't really match up on the outside. Like I go back and forth with that a lot. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like this is not inside. Like I feel like this is not how I feel inside. Not necessarily a bad thing, not necessarily a good thing, but I'm trying to like find, I don't know, I'm rambling on so much. So I'm trying to not just wear like horror shirts. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I'm just figuring it out. I'm gonna stop rambling because I've been recording for 10 minutes and this is still the intro. So these are just a few little simple pieces that I picked up from Target. They're line universal thread. Like, I'm sick. I really love this color. I remember I used to wear this color a lot when I had my hair colored red. Here we just have this simple, lightweight sweatshirt. It's a little more, it's not as casual as a sweatshirt. You can definitely dress it up, but it's just soft. I like the color of it. This in a large. It's cute to be dressed down, and you can also dress it up a little bit. Good for like office casual too. I feel like you could wear these with black slacks, jeans too, and some boots and whatnot. Probably try these on. Normally I wouldn't, but I don't care anymore. We're gonna try it on. Then moving along, I got the same sweatshirt in another color. I thought this color was really pretty. It's like a nice brown. It's like a nice brown, kind of reddish brown, I guess you could say. Thought I would pick this up. I think this would look really cute with blue jeans. Put it over a shirt, a tank top or something like that. It's a sweatshirt and I wear a lot of sweatshirts, but the sweatshirts I have, they're like, girl, you chilling on the couch in a sweatshirt watching Netflix. This is like putting a little bit of effort to it, I think. Then the next thing I picked up is this hoodie. I know, like sweatshirts and hoodies, like can you wear anything else, Sam? I'm a very cold person and it's cold right now. And this is also from Universal Thread. This one in a size medium because I wanted this to fit a little snug. It's not a bulky hoodie. It's kind of like just a cute hoodie. Well, you can wear it to work out. You can also wear it as part of your everyday wardrobe. Dress it up too, put some hoops with it. Good to go. I think I'm gonna definitely pick up some more of these shirts next time I do go to Target. Remember, if any of you guys are from my channel like 3 years ago, maybe 4, I don't know. Target like was coming back with their flannels and there were some cute ones. Like I still have them, but they're just like too soft now, which is good. They're good, but I wanted something that had a little bit more structure to it. So I was like, well, let me try this on. I mean, it's not flannel material, but I like that it's a fall plaid pattern. Thought, let me try this on and kind of see. And I really liked this because you can wear it open. You can also button it up, have it buttoned all the way up to the neck, add a necklace on it, add a few necklaces on it, roll up the sleeves, be a really cute top. This in large, and I just really liked the color of it, sticking to fall colors still, obviously. I just thought it looked really nice with my hair and such. I got that. I like wearing these tucked in and kind of having one flap out. I got a large in this as well. I couldn't decide because the large had like a loose fit buttoned up, which is fine because I'll probably wear a tank top under it just to keep warm. Then I also found this candle, guys. So I was looking at their Christmas stuff. Don't judge me. We need to have some Christmas discussions because I know there are some of you guys, I can't be the only one that also loves Christmas. And do I love it as much as Halloween? You'll never know, but I do love Christmas. That was another holiday that my mom made so special. I was looking at the line that Chip and Joanna Gaines do. So this is from their line and I was smelling their candles because it was by the Christmas stuff too. And they had like all of the winter cabin lodgy decor, which was really nice. And I was just smelling the candles. I was like, should I get a new candle? But I kind of have a lot already. So I was like, no. But I was smelling. And I smelled this one and just immediately was overwhelmed by memories of my mom. Like it just smells like when I would go into her bathroom when she was getting ready for work, getting ready for a date or something like that, getting ready to leave the house. Like it smells really good and it's cardamom and vetiver. It's kind of woodsy, but it kind of has a little bit of perfume in it too, if that makes sense. I wish I could give you a better description of this one. Like if this was a perfume, oh, it smells amazing. Anyways, I have worn this sweater a few times before. I haven't washed it. I wore it twice this week in a size extra large. Worried that it was going to shrink, but it stretched out like within the first stretched out in the first time that I wore it, so I definitely could have sized down to a large. I really liked this one. This is by A New Day, but it's just this plain like nice gray sweater. I really liked it. Super soft. I just thought you can dress it up and dress it down. You know, you can have it plain, you can have it dressy, whatever you want to do with it. Kind of nice because I could tuck it like the front part in the front of my jeans, which I really like to do. I don't know. Okay, I always see people wearing animal print and it looks really good on them. You know, it's like a very good fall winter trend. Seems like a trend that it's always like rotating, coming in and out, you know. What is this? A leopard print? Cheetah print? Leopard? Cheetah? I think cheetah print is smaller, right? I'm gonna say it's leopard. Now, when I think of like, I don't know, my usual style, I'm like, is this me? Is this me? But I really like it. It's just really cute. Like it's just something different. You can still dress it up to be kind of grungy, wear it with a black skirt, wear it with some docks, like that's what I'm gonna be doing. Like some ripped blue jeans, that'd be really cute, and some nice little black booties. Let me know what you guys think. Does this like, is this me? I don't know. If I wear this in a video, I don't know. It's just something different, something to spice it up. A New Day as well. And then this last sweater that I picked up, this is from Universal Thread. I was kind of bummed because I really loved this sweater, but this was the only color they had in a size large. And then when I went back, I couldn't find any, but it's nice because with these with a couple of sweaters, I can go back online and just kind of see and know the fit and then just pick out the colors if they have more options online. So I might do that, especially with this sweater. I really love the fit of this sweater. It's a knit sweater, and then down here it kind of has a different threading to it, I guess you could say. It's this nice olive color. This is just a really pretty color. It's very like cozy, and you can wear different types of jewelry with this, like gold. You could also do silver. I really liked it. I just thought it was plain, simple, and cute. And then I also did pick up a coat. Thank goodness. I was so glad I found one at Target. There was a lightweight one that I was like, okay, I guess this will do, because I couldn't really find one that fit me properly or that I felt comfortable with in Burlington Coat Factory. I was like, let me buy that. And then I went to Target and found something better and then took that one back. Guys, I was really gonna like just be okay with that jacket. It was a jacket. It was not a coat. And I'm super happy about this. Is also from Universal Thread. Faux fur, of course. Nice rusty orange color. And I really love it because it's long. It's super warm. This hood, guys, I'm always putting this hood up when I'm outside with taking the dog out. Nice because it goes all the way down, and then I love it because it has these little tie strings that you can shrink it so it goes in at the waist a little bit more to give you some shape if you want. I don't mind it going straight down because it did give me like a nice silhouette, which sometimes it's hard to look cute in a winter coat. You still want to look cute, right? And keep me warm, honestly. So those are some things that I've picked up from Target. Let me know like what your go-to shops and stores are for winter clothing. It's been a while since I've honestly shopped for good staple pieces. I need to clean out my closet because I don't even wear, I probably only wear like 5 things that are hanging up in my closet. It's ridiculous. So it's just time to let go. Also, real quick, I wanted to say I do have a Facebook page, you guys, which is called Halloween Happy. Just search Get Halloween Happy, or you can look at the link down below and it'll take you there. I posted a video on there talking about if we should do like mini videos, because there are a lot of times that I just want to make a quick video. I don't want to have to like get out my camera, film at a certain time of day because my lights are broken, and then like edit it and blah blah blah. Like I just want to post a video, like, you know, because you guys treat me well on Facebook. I really appreciate it. You guys treat me great on Instagram and here on YouTube. I really appreciate it. You guys liked the first mini video that I posted. I'm going to be posting another one, and I just have like little thoughts that I want to say to you guys, or say hi, but not make it into a big thing. Like just, you know, like make a no big deal out of it, you know? I want to see like extra little bits about me or me saying hi to you. Definitely go and like that page. Also follow me on Instagram. It's Halloween Happy. If you want to help me out, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe. Click those notifications, that way you know when I post a new video. Let me know what kinds of things you guys want to see. Like I always say, I want to talk about certain things, I want to do certain things, but if I start talking about certain things, are you guys gonna like leave? You gonna leave me? You guys really liked my fall makeup video where I was just chit-chatting, so there will definitely be more of those, because guys, like I will totally get ready with you in the morning while I'm doing my makeup, and we can talk about different topics. Like it doesn't have to be Halloween. We can talk about, should you really be buying Christmas presents? Like, is it okay to not buy Christmas presents? It can just be me rambling of my thoughts, even though you might not agree, or maybe you will. I don't know. I just want to know that I can do that and you guys are gonna be okay with that. I know a lot of you guys have requested more HIY videos, and I will do them, I promise. I just, it's just hard. Like when you're, let me know what you guys think. I think I'm just gonna do it and I'm not even gonna ask. Just thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching. Thanks for always supporting me. Thank you for sending all the love that you guys always do. Like you will never know when I don't want to get out of bed or when I just want to quit life. I'm like, no. Because I'm like, we're all in this together, and a lot of you guys will message me it's crazy. A lot of you guys message me when it's like I'm like feeling really low, and when I'm like, no, let's just give up here. I'll get a message from one of you guys, I'll get a comment. Like it literally is a switch, and I just want to say thank you for that, because I don't think you will ever grasp how much you guys help my everyday living. Not to put that all on you, but I'm just saying, like, Thank you. Love you guys so much. I hope you liked this video. If you want to follow me on my social media, don't forget to check all the links out. Just know that I love you. I hope that life is treating you well. And if it's not, this too will pass. You have to have patience. It's not always going to be like this where it's at in your life right now. Just think of what you can do today that is better than what you did yesterday, that will help something more that you do tomorrow. That's what I tell myself. I hope that works for you guys. It's literally just taking one step at a time. Take my dog out. That made me want to work out. Working out made me want to shower. I didn't want to shave my legs, but I was like, you know, you just really got to focus on putting you first, whatever that may be in your life. Like, put you first because you deserve to feel the best that you want to feel mentally, physically, and emotionally. I just love you guys and I want you to feel good. I want you to be good. If it's a rotten day today, tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow's another chance. You have tomorrow, but make today what you can. Don't let it go to waste. If you're feeling sad, watch a movie that makes you happy. Listen to a song that makes you happy. Now stop rambling, but I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!